Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll give you a quick comparison between Revolut and N26. So both of them allow you to open accounts completely for free, which is of course very helpful. Then I would say N26 is most like a traditional bank where you can just have your account and a saving account. You can set up some debit cards and stuff like that. And Revolut is more of a new bank with investment features. For example, you can invest in stocks, in commodities such as gold, and you can invest in crypto. You can set up to 10 volts. I believe in Revolut is just a little bit more of a newer bank with some more modern features, while N26 is more of a traditional bank. So whether you prefer a more traditional option or something that's a little bit more advanced and a bit more flashy, I would say then go with Revolut. And for traditional bank, go with N26. Due to the simplicity Revolut, there are endless possibilities. You have one main account, you can have up to 10 volts, and that can be shared with others. You can invest in a bunch of stuff and you get interest on savings. Both have everything free, so SEPA transfers and payments, but with N26, you can withdraw more money for free. But this right here is what I agree with. Since both are free, why not open them and see for yourself which one you like best? And I believe with N26, you can actually get 20 if you spend 50 or something after creating your account. And when I signed up with Revolut, I also got some referral bonuses. I'm not sure if that's still available, but it may be. And you can definitely create your account for free. So what I did is I personally mostly use Revolut for everything. So that concludes this comparison of Revolut for N26. If this comparison was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.